Man, everybody, I hope y'all gonna have a happy Thanksgiving, man. It's Wednesday, day 4. Man, somebody tell me what's up, dog. I don't know, y'all can help me out, but I'm working my regular job, about to go get a haircut, about to do a little job, about to send some estimates, but I went and got me some Arby's, right? All right, and I told them, man, I just got a sandwich and fries. I got fries and I got a sandwich, right? And I told them, man, I want some ketchup and I want some Arby's sauce, right? Y'all see anything in there? There's one little ketchup thing, man. And I put that in there. So I'm sitting there waiting. They got like a line of 6 people behind me. I'm like, man, they so busy, ain't got enough people in there working. I'm like, I'm gonna wait for my damn ketchup and Arby's sauce because I want my fucking ketchup and Arby's sauce, right? You know what I'm saying? So I'm sitting here waiting, and I'm like waving to the lady like at the dang window, like just throw me a couple packets, man. Let me show you what she gave me. This lady gave me a handful of the goddamn ketchup and a handful of goddamn Arby's sauce, man. I'm like, I just need like 2. You know what I'm saying? I never worked no fast food restaurants. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all busy. I know they trying to do their job, but still, I told them when I ordered the meal, I want Arby's sauce, I want ketchup, man, for my fries, dog. You know what I'm saying? I want what I want. I'm paying the money, man. I should get what I want, right? What is up with giving me $5,000 packets, dog? Like, I'm not gonna come back, 2 weeks later and have these packets, man. They just, y'all just don't care or whatever, man. Tell me, I never worked no fast food restaurants. I don't know, man. Somebody that's watching this, let me know what's up with this. Why they want to throw me 5,000 packets when I asked? I just need a couple, man. I just need a couple. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. That's my rant for today.